Thank you for taking time today to hear about SDC Cloud Connect and how we're going to be transitioning over you from Pulse. As you know, Pulse offers a nice cloud-based solution allowing you to manage your development stacks easily and remotely, allowing your team to get on board. With SDC Cloud Connect, what we're providing is a similar ability, but using the more modern SDC technology. SDC grew out of an evolution from Pulse, but ultimately diverged and provides a much richer, a much more robust platform. To get started, you can actually drag this drag icon right to your Eclipse. It is saying coming soon. Within a few days, you'll be able to get access to dragging your software and automatically having it set up. In our case, we're actually going to go ahead and set up a package from scratch. One of the nice things is Kepler is just released, and that's immediately available in SDC Cloud Connect. Whether or not you drag or you click, you'll come into the next page, which is where you get to configure your software. Unlike Pulse, which has a Pulse Explorer, inside SDC Cloud Connect, you can immediately do that right on the portal website. So here we are at our setup package page. You'll notice there's a few different types of packages. Right off the bat, you can choose from any of the Eclipse flavors, but you're also able to explore going into, say, using My Eclipse, using some Spring Source tools, just different cool configurations that you'll want to have access to. So we're going to go ahead and go choose an Eclipse Java development package. And one of the options you have is to control the version of that. So all the way back to 3.6.0 is available inside the portal. Not only can you choose the version you want, but you can actually downgrade, upgrade, move between versions and across major versions. We're going to add some extra software to our package that allows our users or anyone we share it with to get access to those exact same configurations that we've tailored from the get-go. There's a rich catalog of software here. When you drag to install, it'll automatically find the software you have in your package and pre-configure it. Similarly, you'll be able to have your workspace configured. We decided to disable that initially, though it's available in SDC proper, just to make it a little easier for those coming over and getting on board quickly. There's two options with SDC Cloud Connect. You have the option of doing your online version on the public cloud, or you have the option of doing a private cloud. The private cloud option is for behind the firewall, where you can set up your own delivery hub. In our case, we're going to use a social login, and in my case, I'll use Google, to be able to go ahead and connect into Cloud Connect and finish setting up my package. You will see a prompt for on Google. I've already done that, so it moves right on to installing or preparing the software. Unlike Pulse, which typically required every user to resolve and access update sites, an SDC is nicely controlled, ensuring that your users get exactly the right software. Once the software is prepared, you can be assured everyone on your team will get access to the exact same configuration. So once that completes, you actually get a URL that you're able to share out with anyone who may want to access the software. In this case, they can click an install package and get a seamless install. If they're curious, though, they can explore the configuration. You have the ability to share that out on social media so that you can actually earn more credit for even more parts of SDC, or your teammates can further customize that package. Once you install, it's going to automatically start an online installation of your package, which will bring you into a familiar installer. We are basing this all on top of SDC, so you get a first-class installer that walks you through nice things like architecture selection. So that's basically it in a nutshell. SDC Cloud Connect is here to ensure that you are up and going on Kepler and ultimately moving off of Pulse proper to get onto the richer secure delivery center technology. Thanks for your time. Take care.